Hello beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Dove Intensive Cream Nourishing Care 2.5 fluid ounces or 75 milliliters. It's about the size of your palm. Can fit in your purse. Can fit in your overnight case. It's a moisturizer that you can use on your hands, your feet, your face. It's pretty gentle. This particular one is actually made in India. And go look at the ingredients here. Water, petroleum, mineral oil, glycerin, glycols, stearate, palmitic acid, stearic acid, some sort of wax. Pretty standard ingredients for a moisturizer, but this is really gentle. It says here that for complete daily skincare, you can put it on your elbows, your knees, those rough spots on your feet. You can put it on your hands, them into mittens or gloves, and sleep with them on. It has a pleasant feeling on the skin, which I'll show you in a second. It combines nourishing ingredients with a generous dose of active moisturizer. Dove Intensive Cream for soft and cared for skin. It's especially suitable for very dry skin areas. So like I said, knees, the heels of your feet, anywhere that you need moisturizer. And hold on, let me open it. So this is what it looks like open. Comes with a foil over it, and it has just a little lid that covers it up like that. Screws on. And I've taken a little bit out to put onto the rough part of my foot. And just rub that in, and it absorbs nicely. You can see, I'll show the texture a little bit. My foot. Nice, soft moisture. Has a nice little scent to it. Smells a little bit like, just like freshness, like baby powder or something. And when you're done, you just close it back up. And it's a good thing to, like I said, to keep in your purse. I got a little bit right there. That's okay. So it's a good thing to keep in your purse. Good thing that you can travel with. You can easily throw this in your carry-on bag. It's notoriously dry. You get notoriously dry skin when you fly. So Dove is a really great nourishing care intensive cream. I don't think the price was too crazy. Great thing to have. I absolutely love it. I keep it in my purse. I'll put hand sanitizer on that dries your hands out. So this is nice to carry along with a hand sanitizer, so my hands are clean, but then they're also moisturized as well. So if there's anywhere else that you have dry areas that you want to address, like your elbows, that's one place that people get really dry. Also feet, hands. And this is suitable for actually using on your face as well because it's so mild. Dove soap is great for skincare, and their intensive cream is just as awesome, if not better. This little can here. And I like that it has all of the ingredients. Oops. All of the ingredients on the back for you, so you know exactly what's in it. And see, there's all the ingredients. And like I said, it is a very pleasant feel, makes the skin soft, and the scent is kind of like baby powder, but a little bit more pleasant than that, much nicer. So it's definitely something to check out. I think out of my favorite intensive creams, I'd give this one about 4 out of 5 stars. But I love the portability of this, so I think I'd give it 5 out of 5 because you can just throw it in a bag, be ready to go. Pretty awesome. So Dove Intensive Care Cream Nourishing Care, 2.53 fluid ounces, or 75 milliliters. I guess about the size of the palm of your hand. Oops. So nothing huge. And Dove's been a long-standing brand in soap creams. I don't know exactly what year they became a company, but I've used Dove products over my life, ever since I was a kid. So give it a try. Dove Intensive Cream Nourishing Care.